Okay, here we go. I want to show you how to use EasyBib so that we can create our Works Cited page. So up in my search bar, I'm going to type in EasyBib. I'm going to search for easybib.com, which creates citations for us. So I'm going to click on Citation Generator. And now I need to make the decision what type of material am I grabbing my evidence from. Before you click website, think about or go back to your source and make sure you understand what type of source it is. So my first source, while it's on the web, I'm going to click more because it's actually a newspaper. So I just want to show you there are some other options for you here. My first article is coming from a newspaper, so I'm going to click on newspaper. Okay. So it already filled that in for me. And I'm going to go back to my article title and make sure that I have the name correct. Let's see, I'm going to scroll to the top, and here is my newspaper article title. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to paste it in there. Now, I need to also add the author's first name and last name. So I'm going to go and look, and I see a first name is Mickey and last name is Powell. And I'm going to make sure that I spell these correctly. I don't need a middle name, and there's no suffix. I'm going to go back and make sure I know that my name of my newspaper is the Winchester Star. And now it asks me what city the newspaper is in, but it says only include the city if it's not in the title. Well, the Winchester Star is published in Winchester, so I'm going to skip that. I'm also going to skip the advanced info. I do have a date that this article was published, so I'm going to go back and I'm going to look at the date, and it's May 27th, 2020. Asks for the day first, and then the month, and then I can type in my year. Now, when I go back and look, because this is an online newspaper, I am looking for the page number, but I'm not going to find it because when a newspaper is loaded online, it doesn't necessarily give page numbers. If I had the physical newspaper in my hand, I would be able to say what page I was looking for. So now I can go back and I can complete citation. And here it is. When I hover over it, I can copy the citation. I'm going to click out of there. I'm going to go into my assignment, and on my Works Cited page, I'm going to paste this piece so that I know when I mention above in my article that I used the Winchester Star in this article specifically, it is on my Works Cited page.